Hey y'all, just wanted to come on real briefly and update everyone. I had my first chemo treatment on Wednesday, this past Wednesday. Today is Saturday when I'll be uploading. I thought I was going to be able to do daily vlogs, but I've really been out of it for the most part. Just now, feeling a little better, and I think it's about 6 p.m. or so on Saturday. So, um, the chemo that I had two medicines, two different medications, and I will upload them right here, the name of the medications. The side effects, the first day had me really out of it, very fatigued, and I had a lot of nausea. I tried the nausea medicine, and that made me nauseous as well, so I didn't know if I should retake the medicine since I had vomited. Um, but Dennis and my sister Lisa were very supportive through that process. Um, yeah, I think I was nauseous day one and day two. Just a tad bit of vomiting on day two, but I was really very nauseous. The fatigue has really taken me out for the most part. Again, I had the treatment on Wednesday. I'm just feeling a little bit okay to honestly sit up and move around a little bit on Saturday at 6 p.m. So now that I know what I have to look forward to, I'm going to try to do a little mind control and do a little better with the next treatment, which I have treatment every 2 weeks. So I'm going to try my best to push through and, get up and be a little stronger. But yeah, the fatigue was really a lot. I have different taste buds now. Try to still stay clean on a fresh diet, but I couldn't really eat any cold foods. I don't like bananas anymore, not even the smell at all. And so I've been eating like beans. Dennis made me a smoothie this morning. He did try to add some banana, but I tasted it instantly, and that didn't really work right. So he made me a different smoothie with some greens in it, and that tasted okay. I wasn't able to take all of it. I ate some beans and I ate some grapes today. So I'm just trying foods out. It's kind of like being a baby and trying foods to see what you like. It's important to try to stay healthy, but you have to get some nourishment in you. So you just have to try different foods to see what's going to stay down and what can give you that protein, give you that nutrients that you need. But yeah, so I'm just getting up. I didn't even brush my hair or anything. Ain't did no edges. I don't want to be that vain of a person where I don't update you guys because I don't have a full face of makeup or things. I did put on some earrings, but no makeup, no um, filter. Didn't even bother to comb my hair. Um, yeah, and the doctors also said the second round of chemo that I do is what will remove my hair loss completely. These two medications that I'm receiving right now, they are will make my hair thin. But either way, I'm glad I just went on and cut my hair because the longer you hold on to it, the harder it will be to get rid of it. And yeah, that's my update. I thank everyone that sent well wishes, text me, or called me. If I wasn't able to pick up, I apologize because, like I said, I was very, very fatigued. Like, I'm talking about sleep nonstop. Like, I can't even wake up. So, yeah, I've just been in the bed for the most part. I'm just getting up. I'm going to try to take a walk before it gets dark outside. Not sure if I'm going to be able to because I don't want to put myself in danger where I get overly tired and I don't have anybody here to help because Dennis went to work. So I may just wait until the morning for that. But again, guys, thank you so much for keeping me in your spirits. And hopefully these updates can help anyone else that is going along this journey, has a family member or friend in this journey that I may not know personally. Um, just giving you a little behind the scenes of what it's like to be diagnosed with stage 1 breast cancer. Thanks.